Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to see list of people you are following on TikTok. To see list of people you are following on TikTok, first you have to tap open your application or visit the official website that is tiktok.com. Make sure that you are logged into the application. Then tap on the profile icon on your bottom right. Now, right under your profile name and profile picture, you will see following counts, followers and likes counts as well. Tap on following to see list of people you are following. Your following list is sorted by default. You can also change it by tapping on it like this, and then you can sort by the latest ones as well like this, and that is how you see list of people you are following on TikTok. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.